Hey y'all, welcome to week 4 of online learning. So this week we have a few things on the agenda. So the first thing is a virtual college tour. Actually, last week was virtual college tour day with all the online learning going on. All colleges from across the country kind of signed up for this to give opportunities for high school students to still tour their colleges in the spring. Because of that, we're going to be able to take advantage. So here's the assignment is due on Friday. I have a Google Doc here attached, as long as the link to a great virtual college tour website. So here's the Google Doc that you'd be filling out and completing. And then here's the website that it says over 600 colleges for free. I don't know exactly what colleges are on there, but kind of give it a look around, see what interests you. This does not count as your virtual college tour for the Wicker Bingo. This is a separate assignment. However, if you would like to use this website still for the virtual college tour for the Wicker Bingo, go for it. That's great. Just you'll have to do a different college. Okay. So this one's a little bit more in depth than that one is as well. So this has this Google Doc here that you will need to complete. Go through each step here. Again, here's the website. All right, the next thing you'll do is you have a discussion board. You'll answer this question. Which college did you visit, and what were two things you liked about it and two things you did not? Answer the discussion board question and respond to at least two peers. Okay, we're gonna have a lot of discussion this week about this because I want you to get a little bit of information about as many different colleges as possible. So definitely look through the discussion board this week. Okay. Wicker Bingo check-in, like every week, just turn in your Wicker Bingo card with the evidence for the activities you completed this week only. I don't want the evidence from last week. I already got that in the check-in from last week. Just the evidence from this week of the activities you did this specific week. The last thing is the tutorial request form. Now, for this one, this one's not actually due this week, but I did want to give it to you because you're going to use it next Thursday when we have that Zoom tutorial, right? I'm going to split you into small groups. So this is due on April 30th, but this tutorial request form is here. I put it in a PDF form and a Google Docs. It's the same one we use in all year long, just digitally now. You can do a Notability or a Google Docs, whichever one is easiest for you. That's totally fine. Okay, but I put that here just in case you want to start working on it this week. Here's what it looks like. As you can see, it's the same exact one we've been using all year long. And here's the Google Doc. The thing that is different is this second page here that we'll use for the tutorials next Thursday. Okay, so you don't have to do anything before the actual tutorial. This says after the tutorial. Okay. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget, I have that Wednesday Zoom meeting with Mrs. Geyer, 10 a.m. to noon. If you were not in last week's Zoom meeting, you do need to join this week's Zoom meeting with me so we can go over the projects and stuff. Okay? Uh, thanks and have fun this week.